Webmania.
Hello viewers, welcome to Webmania Bootstrap 3 17th tutorial. In this tutorial, we will learn Bootstrap glyph icons. So there are over 250 glyph icons in Bootstrap. Glyph icons are font based, means that their color and size automatically adjust to the element color and size on which it being used. If you don't understand this statement, don't worry. When we see examples, you can understand very easily. Let's go to the website of Bootstrap and see the glyph icons. Here is our browser and this is the official website of Bootstrap. If you want to see the glyph icons, you simply have to click on the components, and when you click here you can see all the available glyph icons. You can see these all are glyph icons which we used in Bootstrap. These are over 250 in number. These are all glyph icons. But the question is how to use glyph icons with Bootstrap. To achieve glyph icon in Bootstrap is very easy. To achieve this, we have to create a span element inside the button element and then enter the name of the particular glyph icons which we want to display. Now, if we want to display a home icon on a button element, as you can see here, we want to achieve this. This is our glyph icon and this is our home button. Let's go to our editor to achieve this. This is our editor and here you can see inside a container we have a row class, and inside a row class we have a button element, and inside the button we use the class btn and btn info. If you don't have information about these btn classes, visit my previous tutorial. And this is the caption of home button. We want this button to be named as home. Now we want to apply glyph icon here. To achieve that, we simply have to use the span element. We use span element, and inside the span element we are going to use the class, and inside the class we are using the glyph icon name. Now the question is from where we use the glyph icon name. So let's see this. Here we want the glyph icons of home. To find that, we go to the official website of Bootstrap to get that glyph icons of home. So let's go to official website of Bootstrap. So here you can find all the glyph icons, and we want to find the glyph icon of home. So from here you have to search. So let me find. So here is our glyph icon. So what we do to achieve this glyph icon, we simply have to copy this name. So let me copy this. We have to copy the glyph icon name and paste it in span class. So let's do this. It's our editor, and here is a span element, and inside the span element we use class and we paste glyph icon name here. So let's save this and go to our browser to view how it look like. Here is our browser, and when we reload the page, here you can see we achieved this. This is our home button and this is our glyph icon. So earlier I said that glyph icons are font based, means that their color and size automatically adjust to the element color and size on which it is being used. So let's go to our browser and view our glyph icon color and our button color. So let's go to our browser. Here is our browser, and if you notice the color of text is white and the color of glyph icon is also white, means that the color of both are now matching. So prove that glyph icons are font based. So now if we want to move this glyph icon to the right side of the home, it's very easy to achieve. We simply have to put the span element before then the text. So let's do it. It's our editor, and if we want to use our glyph icons after the text, we simply have to move it after to the text. So save it, and let's now view this in a browser. And here is our browser, and when we reload the page, you can see this glyph icon move to the right side of the text. And here when we reload the page, here you notice this is moved to the right side of the text. And if you want to increase the space between the glyph icon and the text, is very easy. So let's go to our editor and give some space between these. For giving space, we simply have to use the NBSP element. So here we use ampersand NBSP. So this is going to create space between these. So let's save this and view this in our browser. Here is our browser, and when we reload the page, you can notice the space between these. So here you can see the space is little bit increased between both of these. To achieving that layout, here is the required HTML for that. Now we want to achieve such a layout which look like this. This is our home hyperlink, this is about hyperlink, this is contact hyperlink, and here you can see the glyph icons. On different websites you see a navigation bar look like this. We want to achieve this, so let's go to our editor to achieve this. So it's our editor, and here you can see we have simple 3 anchor elements. First anchor element consists of home, the other caption is about, and the next is contact. So we achieve the hyperlink, and now we have to achieve the glyph icons. So here I'm going to use the class of span, and inside the span we have to use the class, and within that class we use the glyph icon name. So let's go to the official website of Bootstrap, and here and find the glyph icon names. The first one is we got earlier is glyph icon and glyph icon home. Here is glyph icon home. These are all glyph icons, and here we want to use the sign of info sign, which is about sign. So simple, we have to copy this. So we copy this, and let's go to our editor to paste this. So our editor and about, first we have to create the span element, and inside the span element we use class, and inside the class we paste the glyph icon. Sorry, it's doubled. Here I'm going to remove this glyph icon info sign. This is, so let's save this, and on third contact we have to use the span element, and inside the span element we're going to use class, it's glyph icon, and glyph icon phone is contact. You can search all the glyph icons from the official website of Bootstrap. Let's save this and view this in our browser how it look like. It's our browser, and when we reload the page, here you can see it's our home hyperlink with home glyph icon, it's our about and contact. It looks merged with each other. Let's give space between these. For this, let's go to our editor back. Our editor, for giving space we use ampersand NBSP. I copy this and I'm going to paste it 3 times. Also here I paste this. So let's save this and view in browser after giving spacing how it look like. For browser, and when we reload the page you can notice the space between them. Here you can see now it's look good. It's home, about, content, and now you can apply HTML headings to that, bigger their size as you want. So these are Bootstrap Glyphicons and they're used. So here is the required HTML for this layout. So in our next video tutorial, we will learn about Bootstrap dropdown. Thank you for listening. Stay tuned. Have a good day.